This video explains how to get the license terms under which R is distributed directly within the RStudio console using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. So if you want to get the license terms under which R is distributed, there are two very simple ways how to get them directly in RStudio. And the first way that I want to show you is based on the license function. So if you want to get the license terms, you simply can execute this function within your script, as you can see in line 2 of the code. And after running this line of code, you can see that a very long text is returned at the bottom in the RStudio console. And this text provides you with all the information that you need to get the license information of R and RStudio. Alternatively to that, you could also simply write a question mark at the bottom in your console and type license behind. And then after executing this line, you can see at the bottom right of RStudio that a new text is appearing, which is describing the license function. And if you scroll down in this window, you can see that the license terms are also shown at the bottom right. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.